So, Kendra, we will learn today about angles. Okay, so what grade are
Grade,
you, Kendra? Grade 4?
grade 4? Anong grade ka? Grade 4 po.
Grade 4.
Oh, grade 4. Okay, very good. So, today we will learn about angles. Okay, so for a while.
Math kayo, math.
I'm going to share my screen. Okay.
Huwag mo cut.
Hindi ko kakat. Ayun na.
Can
Meron
you
ko
see
na
my screen, Kendra?
Yes.
Yes po.
Okay, sige. So, let's learn about how to measure angle using a protractor. Okay, so measuring angle is a significant topic in geometry. Okay, so measuring angle is on geometry, which is the branch of mathematics. So an angle can be measured using a protractor. Okay. If you wonder what protractor looks like, this is a protractor. This is the example of a protractor. Have you seen protractor, Kendra?
Yes.
Or you have one?
You have one, di ba? Asaan? Yan ang protractor. Sabihin mo, I have one po, teacher.
Meron pa ako.
Okay, very good. So you have protractor. Okay, sige. So, any angle, whether it is acute, obtuse, reflex, or right angle, can be measured using a protractor. Although, based on the right angle, we are able to differentiate between acute, obtuse, or reflex. But we have two acute angles to measure. Then we cannot determine the greater angle among the two. So, what is an angle? So, before we proceed to before we proceed getting the angle using a protractor, so let's first define what is an angle. So first, an angle is a shape in geometry that is formed when two rays are joined together at a single point. So the point where two rays meet is called the vertex of the angle, and the two rays are called the arms of the angle. So this is the example of an angle. Can you see it, Kendra?
Yes.
Okay, sige. This is an angle. So again, an angle is formed when two rays are formed together or intersect with each other. These are the two rays. This is the ray 1 or ray OB, and this is the ray OA. So this is the angle. So the angle is here. Okay. Then the intersection point of an angle, which is the point where they meet, that is called vertex. Again, the intersection of two angles where the two points or where the two rays meet, that is called the vertex of an angle. So here is this is the vertex of an angle. Okay, this is the vertex of an angle. For example, here. Okay. So this is the vertex of an angle, the point where the two rays meet. Okay,
Nasaan ang
gets,
vertical?
Kendra?
Yes, ha? Yes pa? Opo. Sagot.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, very good. Now, so there are different types of angles based on their measures. So we have
Ayan.
acute angles,
Mm.
obtuse angles, right angles, straight angle, reflex angle, and full rotation angle. So we can differentiate here what are their differences. Okay, so first is acute angle. See, acute angle form between 0 to 90 degrees. Again, if the angle is, for example, 54 degrees, that is
54
an
degrees sa saan?
acute
Ano yun?
angles.
Cute.
Angle.
It is formed between how many degrees, Kendra? 0 degrees to
2.
90.
very good. 0 degrees to 90. That is an acute.
I got
Next,
it.
obtuse. Okay, obtuse angle. It is formed between 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Again, how many degrees is an obtuse angle, Kendra?
Like
Ayan o.
90 degrees to 180 degrees.
Very good. 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Very good. Now, let's proceed to right angle. So, right angle, how many degrees is a right angle, Kendra? Exactly
Exactly. Ano yun? Right angle, exactly ano?
90 degrees.
very good. Exactly equal to 180
Ano
degrees.
yan? Ano, what
Very
is,
good.
Full rotation. Mamaya di-discuss si teacher yan.
Okay. Exactly equal to 100. Ay, no. Straight angle pa yan. Exactly equal to 90 degrees. Again, we are done with, we have need acute angle, which form between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. We have meet obtuse angle, which form between 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Also, right angle, it is exactly equal to 90 degrees, not 91, not more than 90, and not less than 90. It is exactly 90 degrees. That is a right angle. Now, let us proceed to straight angle. So, straight angle is exactly equal
wala
to
si Biel.
180.
Natanong ko,
Exactly daw. Ano? Exactly
Straight
100.
angle is
80
exactly
degrees.
very good. Exactly 180 degrees. Again,
Kabisado.
acute is 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Obtuse, 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Right angle, exactly 90 degrees. Straight angle, exactly equal to 180 degrees. Then reflex angle. Okay, reflex angle is
Ano po,
Hmm.
ano po ang ano yan?
Basahin mo, hindi niya nakikita.
Na full body
Rotation.
rotation.
Ano raw po ang full rotation? O, yan i-explain ni teacher.
okay. So reflex angle, Kendra, is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. Again, reflex angle is greater than 180 degrees, but it is less than 360 degrees. It should be not more than 360 degrees, not 361, 362, and so on. Again, reflex angle is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. Now, let's move on to full rotation. So, according to this, full rotation is the complete rotation of an angle which is equal to 360 degrees. Full rotation, Kendra, is the whole circle. Like it is fully rotate. Okay? So, the angle of a circle is equal to 360 degrees.
360 degrees. O, paikot. Isang buong ikot daw yun.
That is 360 degrees. So,
Kaya
its
makikita.
angle is full rotation. Okay? So, let's go back. Acute. How many angle are there? Acute.
Basa.
Next.
Acute
Oh.
right obtuse angle.
Obtuse.
And
Then,
then,
Right angle.
yes.
Straight.
Very good.
and then,
Reflect angle.
And
and,
then,
Pag straight siya, tapos pag ganun.
alin, which one? Itong full rotation? O
Wait
straight?
lang.
O, paano?
Pag ganyan siya, tapos nakaganyan.
Hindi. Yan yung reflex.
Ah,
O, diba? Pagka yung isa, ganun, no? Full rotation, ganun. Okay?
Very
O, tanong
good.
ka, teacher.
Okay.
Yung full rotation,
ganito
nalilito
po.
siya.
Nalilito siya sa
Yung
politician.
full rotation daw, ganun. Ito
The
yung
whole
tinatanong.
circle, Kendra.
Ang buong circle daw yun,
Buong
okay?
circle. Okay?
Ayan. Okay, naintindihan mo na.
Ay,
Ang dali, oh.
Okay, so this is the example of the angle. Okay. We have here, this is acute. Again, how many degrees is acute angle, Kendra?
Please. Ano yun?
between 0 to 90 degrees.
Very good. Between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. How about right? This is example of right angle.
Right. Right. Ilan yung right?
Mm,
Basahin mo. Oh.
90 degrees to... Ay,
Ayan.
yan. 90 degrees to 180 degrees.
Ito.
Right?
Right. Tanong ni teacher, right angle eh.
Exactly equal to 90 degrees.
Very good. Exactly 90 degrees. Exactly. Now, what is the measurement of an obtuse angle?
Choose. Oh. Basahin mo.
Between 90 degrees to 180 degrees.
Okay, between 90 degrees to 180 degrees. How about straight?
Straight. Oh. Ano yun?
Exactly to
Equal
to 180 degrees.
Exactly equal to 180 degrees. Okay, this is a straight angle. Like
Ayun,
straight. Ayan. Oh, so that's straight. Okay. And then this is reflex angle. Again, the measurement for reflex angle is greater than 180
Ayun, greater
degrees
than.
and less
Greater
than 360 degrees.
Sabi mo, wait lang kay teacher. Ano bang kailangan mo? Ha?
Wait lang.
Magpaalam ka kay teacher. Ano kailangan mo? O, yan. Dito. O, dito ka kay teacher. Kausapin mo si teacher.
Ganito.
Ano yan?
Mm.
Ano yan?
Ganyan.
Ipakita mo kay teacher.
Yes, Kendra.
Meron daw siyang yung ganun. Yung corner nito.
Yung corner, like yung...
Yung
Okay, if...
wait lang po.
That's, Kendra, that's right angle. If you will see, like that, like square.
Merong aral si Kendra na. Thank you.
Ano yan? Ayoko yan.
Pancake yan. O, sige na.
Yung
Ayun na.
nasa sapin.
O, sige na. Okay lang. Ako
Okay.
na nakakatawa. Ay, thank you.
Okay, Kendra.
Go. Next, Kendra.
May
Listen ka
punta
na kay
tayo sa
teacher.
cartoon ko.
Alin?
Chips ko.
Ha?
Chips.
Oo, mamaya pagtapos yan.
Okay,
Sige
so
na.
you're asking if what angle is your card, like the square card?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Opo.
So angle of this one here is right angle. This is right
Katulad ng
angle.
pangantay.
Right angle ay sinasabi niya.
Right angle. This is right angle here. This is right angle here. This is right angle here. And this is right angle here, Kendra.
Opo.
Apa.
Okay, very good.
Pakita niyo, teacher.
Okay, so let's proceed to how to measure angles using protractor. Can you get your protractor, Kendra?
Protractor mo. Saan mo nilagay kanina pa niya hinahanap? Manilagay. Labas sa school bag mo. Nilagay mo ba dito? Wala naman ako nilagay dyan. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, ilagay natin sa easy to find? Saan na? Diba nilagay ko yung sa easy to find? Saan mo nilagay? Tinanggal mo na naman. Saan mo nilagay? Wala ba dito? Ano kayo makakaaral ni teacher pag wala kang protractor?
Sige, Kendra. Let us discuss first how to measure angles using protractor. Okay. So again, this is the image of a protractor. Is this your protractor, Kendra? Is this what your protractor looks like?
No.
Hindi.
No.
Okay. Ayan na, the same.
Yes. Iba sa akin.
Iba yung color lang, okay, teacher. Sa'yo
Iba lang yung color. Because we have different protractor. Depend on the, I guess, its brand. Okay? Yeah. A protractor, yes.
Meron ka bang science sa next time may science ka?
Yes, Thursday and Friday, we have to study science.
How about English?
Wala tayong English na.
No, math and science lang, Kendra. You love
Me,
science?
yes. And English.
Very good.
Favorite. Ayoko ng geometry pero nahihirapan ako. Pero gusto ko kasi maging honor.
Wow, very good. That's the
Gusto ko,
motivation.
ayoko kasi hindi ako maging honor.
Gusto niya raw maging honor. Wala kasi siyang recognition.
Nakakaloka.
Anong nakakasuka?
Ang mga kaklase.
Okay lang yun kasi nag-extra time sila mag-aral. Ikaw din naman, galingan mo na lang, okay? Makinig ka mabuti kay teacher, ha? Go na.
Okay, so a protractor is a semicircular tool used to draw and measure angle. Okay? Angle. It is marked with degrees from 0 to 180 degrees. It can be directly used to measure any angle from 0 to 360 degrees. So the markings are made in two ways, 0 to 180 degrees from right to left and vice versa. So again, let's examine the protractor here. Okay, so this is the image of a protractor. So we have here,
And listen.
we have here the center part of the protractor measures 90 degrees. And we have here 180. If you will ask, teacher, why is that? It is only 180. 180, it's because it is half of the circle. Again, I said that the whole circle is equal to 360 degrees. And then the protractor is half of the circle. So it means to say the 360 divided by 2 is equal to 180. That's why it's 180 there. Yes,
Bigyan mo lang ako mag-time mag-album.
Mag-aral ka muna. Sige.
Mamaya, kunin mo sa akin ng...
Sige na, mag-listen ka lang muna.
Kunin mo sa akin ng
Nai-interrupt si teacher. Nag-stop siya kasi tinuturuan ka niya.
Gets, Kendra?
Yes.
Okay, sige. So, have you seen here? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,
Kita mo ba?
70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140,
Ayun tinuturo ni teacher.
160, 170, and 180, and vice versa from left to right and from right to left. So it's on 180, 10 by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110,
100 years old.
Okay. Sige. So that's the protractor. Now, okay.
Honey, I hate honey.
Okay, suppose we have an angle to measure, say, angle ABC. How to read that?
Oh, ayan
Angle ABC.
Mhm.
This is called angle. This should be read as angle. Angle ABC or angle DEF. This is angle. Okay. Sige. Suppose we have an angle, say angle ABC. Follow the steps given below to measure the angle. So, number 1, put the protractor above the line BC such that the midpoint of protractor is at point B. So, we have here, okay. So, this is angle ABC. So,
Ay,
step 1, put the protractor above the line BC. Above the line BC. So, it should be put here. Above.
naman.
Here.
Niload pa ako.
Ayan na, tignan mo.
Okay. It should be put here. The protractor should be put here above the line BC. This is the line BC. Can you see BC?
Kendra.
Letter
Yes.
B and C? Yes. Very
Kita mo.
good. Very good, Kendra. Now, next is step 2. So, step 2, again,
Kendra.
step 1,
Oh,
we have,
ito na si teacher. Dali.
we have, we have put the protractor above the line BC. So, we will proceed to step
Naman.
2. Step 2, adjust the protractor in such a way that BC is parallel to the straight edge of the protractor. BC is parallel to the straight edge of the protractor. You should adjust the protractor such a way that it is aligned with BC, straight with BC. Okay,
BC.
Kendra?
Kita mo?
Here. Okay, then protractor. Then step 3, the protractor has two scales marked from 0 to 180 degrees on both the ends. Take the reading where BC coincides with the 0 degrees. Now, step 4. Now, from 0 degrees, check the ray BA coincides with the curved edges of the protractor. So, this reading gives us a measure of angle ABC. So, let's try some examples here, Kendra.
Ayan na. Example kayo.
Okay, so here we have, we have some exercises.
Ayan na, may activity kayo talaga. Kung maganda na-distract sa teacher. Doon ka sa ano?
Mall.
Dali na.
Can you see my presentation, Kendra?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So, what can you see here? Is this what? Is this? What do you call it? This is a?
Ayun, lumaki.
This is a?
Ayun na,
Kendra?
nilalaki na teacher.
This is
Oh,
a?
anong angle yan?
Yan.
Ano?
Cute.
Cute?
Wow, very good.
Cute.
Cute.
Cute. Oh, diba?
Cute mo.
Oo.
Cute mo, Mama.
Mas cute ka. O, dali
Ikaw.
na.
Okay,
Listen ka na.
this is the protractor. We have here the protractor. This is a protractor, Kendra. If you will
Ayan na.
see, this is 100, it ends on 170, but this is 180 here. This line here. Because we have
Number
65
180.
one line.
Eat it all.
Oo, sige, eat it all. Lali. Kanina ka pa kain ng kain. Ayun,
Ay,
no?
pa.
Ito na 180 daw yun, no? Na kayo nilagyan ni teacher ng guhit.
Okay.
Hindi nakasikita eh.
Okay, now let us find what is the measure of this angle. What do you think, Kendra? What's the measure of this angle?
Anong measure nun? Bilang ka, Kendra. Tignan mo nga to. Look. Hinihintay ni teacher.
This
Ako.
angle here.
Hindi, anong
Ay, sorry.
degree? Yan.
This
Diba?
angle.
Yan.
Ano lang yun?
Then,
Ganyan lang, okay.
171.
Hindi, ayan o. Ayan, ang sagot dyan.
5 degrees.
What, Kendra? Pardon?
5 degrees.
Hindi,
5 degrees.
ito. Basta mo. Ilan daw yun? Ilan? Sagot mo kay teacher. Naantay ka. Ayan, sagot ni teacher. Sagot mo.
What is your answer, Kendra?
5 degrees.
5 degrees. Very good. How do you say so? That is 5 degrees, Kendra?
Bakit na naging 5, Kendra?
Say the sausage.
Ano kasi yun, 5, diba? Tapos 10.
Because this, okay. This line here is 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40,
You read.
45, 50.
55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So,
100 years old.
89. No, tignan makinig ka kay teacher.
so before 10, it should be 5 because it's by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 5, 40, and so on. So this angle is 5 degrees. Do not forget to say 5 degrees.
5
It's
degrees.
angle. You should say degrees or you should write degrees. So it's 5.
Kendra. Makinig kay teacher. Na mabilis na. 30 minutes na lang. Dali na.
1 hour lang to.
Opo. Kaya bilisan makinig ka lang kay teacher.
1 hour lang yan.
Opo.
Ay, sorry. Ma'am, can I end the call na muna? I will call you back because it's already 6:30.
Okay. Sige po.
I'll call you back, ma'am.
Okay.